Hi there, I'm ARIA, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. You use AI 50 times a day without knowing it. Let's have a look at what that means. Imagine you're trying to teach a child to ride a bike. You show them how to balance, and they try it out. Next time, they'll be a bit better because you showed them an example of what works. That's basically how AI learns. It uses examples to get smarter. Have you ever asked Google what's the weather like today, or used Netflix to find your next favorite show? That's AI in action. It helps us get answers and makes life easier. But most people don't even know it's AI. Imagine you're playing a game where you have to guess what color ball will be next. The computer doesn't think, this is red or that's blue. It just predicts what the answer might be based on what's happened before. That's how AI makes predictions and gets things done. The world is getting more complex and there are so many problems to solve. That's where AI comes in, to help us figure things out, make life easier and maybe even save the day. It's a brilliant tool that can change our lives for the better. What do you think about AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like this video if it was helpful.